After, say, you have all this layout done, you want to gather and generate content. Let's say you have specific documents in your computer that you want to port over to OneNote, whether it's Word documents, PowerPoint slides, or Excel spreadsheets. To do that, you would go over to the Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and load up my Word document that I've typed up about rock formations. Act as if you're going to print it by going to the File menu and then going to Print. Selecting the pages that you want to print if you want to print specific pages in the page range section, and then going to Printer and then selecting Send to OneNote, after which you press the Print button. You can choose the exact location in OneNote to where you want the document to appear. The default location will be in the Quick Note section, but I want it to be in our rock formations page. So by selecting that, it's going to appear. Obviously, you can also copy and paste items from the web, as well as take screen clippings. And when you copy a picture, it actually shows the citations of where you got it from. So if you ever want to refer back to the original source, you can do that easily. But let me show you how it looks like when I take a screen clipping of some pictures. I'm going to be inserting pictures of sedimentary rocks from the Wikipedia page. So I'm going to go first into my sedimentary rock page in my OneNote, and then loading the Wikipedia page on my web browser. Okay, so to take a screen clipping, you would go into the Insert menu and then press the screen clipping button, and then selecting the area that you want it to encompass. Okay, and that's been added to our sedimentary rock page. Notice that I'm able to obtain both the text along with the picture. You can also insert pictures, audio, and video as file attachments from your computer, or search online pictures with Bing search, or extract from the cloud. So I'm going to go ahead and add a picture to our sedimentary rock page from my computer. And then I would do that by also going into the Insert menu and then selecting the Pictures option. You can also add in links and timestamps to keep track of your notes. Let's do that with a link about sedimentary rocks from Wikipedia. So once again, it would be in the Insert menu, and then this time it's the link option. The text to display will be Wikipedia page, and then you just copy the URL and then paste it in the address bar. That's not all. You can also record audio and video files. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording an audio file. There's this neat feature that when you're in the middle of a recording, you can start typing. It keeps track of the timing, so if you ever want to refer back to the recording, it automatically jumps to the moment you started typing. So for example, a student is recording what the teacher is saying for the entirety of the lesson. They can write notes as it's going on to capture everything. So to record audio, you would go into the Insert menu and choosing the Record Audio option. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording an audio. And I'm going to continue typing in notes as it's recording. Okay, so I'm going to stop my recording. And notice how there's a playback option on each of the notes that I typed. And when I press it, it's going to jump back to the moment in time that I started typing in my audio recording. Okay, so note that if we also go into the options menu in the file menu, it allows you to change some of the default settings and make it more customizable. So for example, you can change the icons in your ribbon or your quick access toolbar based on your preferences. So if there's a feature that you feel like that's used less, switch it for something else. And you can do that manually by adding in and removing each of the different options.